My name is Devi Sandhi Reddy and I'm a customer engineer supporting healthcare customers. This booth is about solving problems that most of our healthcare administration faces and healthcare industry faces. For example, this slide here indicates that every year there is more than $4.6 billion spent annually in turnover to reduce and also reducing productivity, right? And 57% of nurses reported feeling exhausted by the end of the day, and 43% are considering changing the jobs. All of this is because all of the manual administrative work that they have to do, along with the work that they are doing very passionately serving their patients. So what we have done here is to address this issue. Our solution is coming up with using Gen AI, and also creating a simple use case here is nurse shift handoff. Whenever a nurse is at the end of the shift would like to hand off their patients to the next nurse, we have simplified the whole process and to increase productivity and reduce burnout. So in this scenario, Marcus is one of our nurse who is at the end of the shift, and he is trying to hand off Mr. Yuvan Acosta, to the next nurse who is coming on board, Kelly. So once he checks in all the information about Yuvan Acosta, then he will talk to Kelly and say, I'm done, I'm at the end of the shift, I'm handing over my patient to you. Kelly then goes on and uses our product, Gen AI Assistant, uses at Symbol Health, and she'll pick up Yuvan Acosta. And as you see here, right, this is the best part of it. So she is asking the Gen AI assistant how Yuvan Acosta is doing. And all she's doing is in a very simple English language. And Gen AI works its magic behind the scenes. There are three flagship products that are being used here. One is MedLM, which is our medically tuned model. The second one is Vertex Search for healthcare, which is very enterprise-like, search-like enterprise on healthcare data. And the third flagship product that we are talking about is Healthcare Data Engine. And Healthcare Data Engine helps you harmonize all the data in different formats and provides you in a single longitudinal view of the patient. Now Marcus actually talks to Kelly and the handoff happens. And as you see here, right, Kelly is going back onto her system and asking simple questions to come up with the information she is looking for on Yuvan Acosta. And you can see the magic working here. She's asking questions like organize all the notes in the chronological order, and as you see, all the results would come up. She's asking simple things like summarize and simplify the report. And also the medications. As MedLM is trained on medical data, it understands all the information that is retrieving using Vertex Search and organizes it and responds in a very friendly manner. So this actually reduces the burnout with all the information that is summary information that is provided by our Gen AI agent and assistant to Kelly. Her life becomes so much more easier discharging the patient. As you see in this next clip, Marcus is actually talking to Yuvan Acosta, saying that he is going to hand off his information to the next nurse, and Kelly will talk to Yuvan and start discharging him. What I would like to show you also is what is there behind the scenes. Here, these are the three components, major components that I was talking about. One is our Gemini or MedLM. It is a medically trained model that is being used. And Vertex Search for healthcare, that is the enterprise search that I was talking about earlier on. That uses all the data that is stored in FHIR format to bring up all the patient records. This is the magic. And then we also have the third product here, which is a healthcare data engine that harmonizes and uses pipelines and ingestion of any kind of data. As you see here, the data could be scanned documents, or it could be CSV or CDA. It provides a unified IDE for our customers to be able to map the data from the source document into a FHIR format, which is really a hard work for most of our customers nowadays, because they have to use any kind of open source, or they have to do all of that themselves. But by using this managed product, all of that can be done. You can use it in batch or streaming manner. So this is what empowers that use case that I was showing.